head wrap is so difficult to do?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Of course it's not. Head wrap to me is like life. Don't take it too serious and personal. If you do, you may find it difficult to wrap your head around it. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna if you don't know. Today we are going to continue our head wrap series. If you haven't watched the first video, I will link it here for you to watch later. I have 4 amazing head wrap styles for you today. Please enjoy and let me know what you think in the comment section below. you so much for watching and making it this far. I'd like to know your thoughts about the styles. Do you find it easy to follow? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to read and respond to all your comments. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, please like, comment and share this video. I hope it will be useful to someone else in your family or your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Also turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you and have a great week ahead. You take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.